Hi guys, welcome to product unboxing channel, and today I will show you this Bosch professional GOP 3028 multi-tool. Okay, so I'll show you the box here. So it is compatible with Starlock and Starlock Plus tool, and you can see here. So this is a carton box model, but you can purchase, I think, similar model with the it comes in a hard case, so that one comes with more tools in the package. Okay. By the way, if you purchase this tool, normally you have to register, or if you want to register in their website, then you will have a 6 years warranty. A lot of different languages for this. So it is showing in English as sewing, cutting, and sanding tool. Okay, so Germany, but this one is made in Malaysia. See here. Okay, so I'll open this now. Okay, so there's a receipt inside, and this is the tool. So Starlock Plus, but it is showing here it's also compatible with Starlock. Okay. Then see here. So unlike the other model, you can just have like a quick release for the tool, but this one you need to use a Allen key to put the tool on. And the tool that comes with it is this one. So this is for wood and metal cutter, the blade. Yeah. Okay, then show you what is here. So probably like a warranty registration or something, or this is the manual. So they have one manual for all, like a 3028, 4030, and 5536 model. This one is 3028. I think something to do with the 300 watts, and 28 is the movement of the blade, the swing. Okay, what? And this one is like the warranty. Robert Bosch Australia Pty Ltd. Warranty and replacement. Okay, so I'll show you how to put the blade in, something like this. So you need to remove this one. Then simply put the tool in. So there's a different position like this, but normally you can just put it like this. Put back the Allen key. And that's it. Then the tool is ready. So this is on and off. Try to put the power, then I'll show you. Okay, I have plugged in the power. Then and then this one is swinging. Okay, so that's it. So this one is a GOP 3028. It's a 230 volts and 50 hertz multi-tool. So it's showing here 300 watts. And there's some other specification here, 8,000 to 20,000 minute. I'm not really sure about that one. Okay, anyway, so that's it for today. So this one is a professional series, so this is blue. So if the tool for Bosch is green, it is like not the like I'm not sure about it. Probably it's like the standard series or just home series, but this one is a professional series, blue type. Again, please subscribe to this channel for more of the unboxing videos, and not really on the tools, but anything that we purchase, so we do some unboxing of it. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.